how do I save on construction costs through the design phase? So going through construction, the biggest thing and the biggest piece of advice I can give anyone going through the design phase is find your builder before you get in the design phase. And mind you, that may not be the builder you end up working with, but what this is doing, you get to establish a relationship through that design phase. So it should be a collaboration, and the best way to save costs is making sure that you've got, number one, the builder is part of your design team. And what that is going to do for you is give you, your builder has the how-to, what things can add, like how easily costs can be added. For example, I remember going through this design with some clients, and they wanted to move a walk-in robe 300 mil further across in the room just to give them a bit more space. Now, on that wall was an aircon which would have had to been disconnected and reconnected. There was a structural wall, which then means we had to put extra supports, extend roofing structures and supports to carry that load. So it wasn't just a matter of knocking the wall out, moving it over, and things like that can cost tens of thousands of dollars. And if that's what you want, that's totally okay. But it's just, at least if the builder is in that construction phase and pre-construction phase and design phase with you, they can start giving you ideas on like, hey, look, if we're going to move that wall 300 mil, you're going to add a heap of cost that it may not be necessary if it works. Like, can we work or can you live with what you've got currently? If it annoys you that much, then hey, it's more than happy to do it, but it's making you aware of that, because you do one thing there and one thing here, and all of a sudden you can have tens of thousands of dollars of extra costs that could have been avoided. And the designer will move stuff, like, you know, they're great, they're brilliant for making things work, but sometimes if you can help, the builder can help you through that process of decide, like giving you idea on costs as they're going through that design phase. It's really going to benefit you in this fact that, one, you get to build a relationship with your builder, and you're starting to find out before you even sign a contract with them that, yes, these guys are going to be the builders for me. I know me as a builder working through design phases, I get to see the cool bits of why you guys want it, or why you as a client need that, what the benefit to you is, like all the stuff that happens that, you know, when we get, if you were just to send a set of plans, we just see a set of plans, and most builders just price it up and off you go. Well, at this stage, we understand why you want to move that wall. Is it because, you know, the room isn't big enough? It isn't, the kids has a specific need, whatever that may look like. And that helps the builder that you're working with give you a great understanding of what you're trying to achieve, where you're going with it. So, and then through that process, you build a great relationship. You can save on construction costs because the builder's throwing their 2 cents in. You're a part of a team with the designer as well. So, if you have any questions, chuck them in the comment section below.